A woman who survived a brutal sexual assault more than 3 decades ago is once again waiting for a decision that could change her life. Thank you for joining us for 7 News Detroit at 5. I'm Glenda Lewis.
And I'm Simon Shaquette. Tonight, a Livingston County judge is weighing whether the man who raped, kidnapped, and robbed her should be granted parole. Floyd Jary pled no contest to the attack in 1993 and was sentenced to 25 to 60 years in prison. His parole, granted then, withdrawn in 2022. Now a judge deciding if he should be released from prison.
But the survivor says the fight is about more than her own safety. 7 News Detroit reporter Tiara Braddock spoke with her after today's hearing. She's also bringing us the arguments from court.
Floyd Jary's freedom is in the hands of a Livingston County judge. While his lawyer says he should be released, the woman he attacked says he should remain behind bars.
I feel that he's a huge risk.
Wendy Morrison was 19 years old when she was kidnapped at gunpoint and raped back in 1993. The man responsible for her attack was Floyd Jary. He pleaded no contest to the crimes and was sentenced to 25 to 60 years in prison. Jary has been granted parole twice, but Morrison has repeatedly challenged his release. When he was granted parole again in January, Attorney General Dana Nessel secured a stay that, at least for now, has kept him behind bars.
I never started my life this way. I was only 19 years old when it happened. I never thought that at 52 years old I would still be standing here fighting this.
On Thursday, a Livingston County judge heard arguments from both sides on whether Jary should be released. Jary's attorney argued that he was granted parole for a reason and should be set free.
He is now 67 years old, so he is an older person. Parole was first granted in 2022. The parole board withdrew it, saying they specifically saw, even then, little risk, but because of community objection in Livingston County.
His attorney also says he hasn't had a major misconduct in prison since 2003.
For 23 years, he has not had a major misconduct ticket. I've never ever had a client like that.
Assistant Attorney General John Pallas represented Morrison in court, arguing Jary should stay in prison.
This is about the protection of society. She's fighting to ensure that an evil person, Jary, never has an opportunity to cause anyone else any harm.
Pallas says over the years, Jary has shown no remorse for what he did.
He is not ready for parole and continues to present a danger to society.
Meanwhile, Morrison is anxiously waiting for the judge's ruling.
I think the judge is going to make the right decision. I think he's going to stay in prison. I pray he will.
In Brighton, Tiara Braddock, 7 News Detroit.
Tiara, thank you.